Welcome to my Kartra Price and Explain video, where we will deep dive into Kartra's pricing plan structure, what each plan includes, and I will show you how you can access my exclusive 12K bonus stack when you sign up through my affiliate link below. Whether you're just getting started or ready to scale, I'll help you find the perfect plan for you. But before we get started, here's a quick overview of what Kartra is. Kartra is literally an all-in-one marketing platform designed for entrepreneurs, course creators, and online businesses. It combines tools for email marketing, landing pages, membership sites, CRMs, and much more, all in one place. So choosing the right pricing plan is crucial because each plan offers different features that could help make or break your business growth. So let's head over and look at the pricing plans. Now, what you can see, you have four main options. You have the starter option, the growth option, the professional option, and as you can see, the enterprise option. Now, let's take a deeper look into each one. Now, I would suggest before you do anything, you start off with a 30-day free trial. It may be limited and you can always upgrade midway if you feel comfortable and not happy, but it just lets you have a decent idea of what you're going to get into. It has a bit more limited functions, but if you're just looking to test the system out to see if you're comfortable with it, always start off with the free trial. Now, the first pricing plan is the starter plan. This lets you access the core features, including Kartra AI, to easily launch your online business and sell your expertise. So there's zero transactional fees with this plan. You get unlimited emails, which is always good. You can have up to 2,500 contacts. You get one domain. You can publish in one language, and you get up to 5 team members. Now with this, you also get unlimited pages and forms. You get unlimited emails and sequences, unlimited membership sites and courses. You get 100+ ready to launch campaigns. You get access to a calendar scheduling and booking system, and you get full access to Kartra support, so you won't be doing this alone. The next plan is the growth plan. This will help you unlock additional features, including webinars designed to connect with your audience and accelerate your growth. Now, this isn't accessible in the starter package, but it is a useful tool, especially if you have an audience that you're trying to communicate with regularly. If you're doing courses or membership sites, this is pretty useful. Now, once again, you get 0% transaction fee. You get unlimited emails, but this time you get 12,500 contacts and you get 3 domains instead of 1, and you can use unlimited languages, and you get 10 team members. So what does this mean? You get all the features in the starter pack, but you get a funnel simulator, you get a webinar system with up to 300 attendees, you can get affiliate management. So if you have a course, a product, or membership, you can build your own affiliate army. And now you have a platform to easily manage to track who's selling what and how much commissions you owe each affiliate. You get advanced automatons, survey and quizzes, which is very useful in your marketing. You get access to help desk and full access to Kartra. So as you see with the growth plan, you can do a lot more than the starter pack. The next plan we have lets you enable powerful tools for advanced marketing, including funnel analytics. So you can see exactly where in the funnel journey your customer is and what you need to tweak, which is definitely helpful when you're sending traffic to your funnel. So once again, 0 transaction fee, unlimited emails, but you get 25,000 contacts on your email list with 5 domains and unlimited languages, and double the team members with 20 team members. But here you get all the features in the growth plan, but you get real-time funnel analytics, you get 1,000 attendees to your webinars, you get help desk live chat, and full access to Kartra support. So far, the starter package is $119 a month, the growth is $229 a month, and the professional is $549 a month. But last but not least, you get the enterprise, which is $999 a month, which includes all the professional features, but instead you get 250,000 contacts on your email list. You can use up to 50 domains, you have up to 50 team members, and you can have 5,000 webinar attendees. Now, here's the thing. When you take the yearly plan, you get to save up to 22% on each plan. So with the starter package, you will be paying $99 a month and you will save $240 a year. With the growth plan, you'll be paying $189 a month and you'll be saving $480 a year. The professional plan, you will be paying $429 a month and you'll be saving $1,444 a year. And for the enterprise, you'll be spending $750 a month instead of $999 a month. Now, if you're just starting out, the starter plan might be enough to get your feet wet. However, if you have a growing audience, the growth plan is ideal for scaling. But make sure you think about where your business will be in 6 to 12 months. If you anticipate rapid growth, it might be worth it starting with a higher plan to avoid any limitations. Now, as promised, here's how you can access my 12K bonus stack package when you sign up for Kartra through my link below. So let me show you what's included. The first part of my bonus stack helps solve all your traffic problems. Forget about paid ads, forget about getting your Facebook account banned, forget about learning to be the best media buyer in the world. You are going to get access to the 24-hour ranking system. This is going to help you place your products, services, and membership sites on the front page of Google, giving you access to your target audience by getting you the top listings for your keyword. This is your ultimate set and forget system. And by ranking right away, you can start earning as soon as possible without the worry of spending hundreds, if not thousands, on ads that don't always work and are not always profitable. Next, you'll be able to give away the same bonus stack for free because we're going to give you a license to do that. Now, this part of the bonus is very, very, very important because you'll be able to ask him anything you want about your business and how to scale your marketing activities in order to win big. And as somebody who's considered a super affiliate and has made millions online, even being awarded a 2 Comma Club plaque by ClickFunnels, Paul Murphy is one of the online greats right now. So being able to get in front of him and asking questions about your business will be very, very, very fruitful. And last, in this first part of the bonus stack, you will get access to the 4-day Google ranking challenge, which will help you get your very first listings on Google and YouTube, and this will definitely give you the confidence to go ahead and implement this very same system into your business, into your courses, into your membership sites in order to get more customers and make more sales. Now, just to recap, you're going to get the VIP 24-hour ranking system, unlimited private weekly coaching calls with my mentor, access to this exclusive 12K bonus giveaway, and 4-day Google ranking challenge to get your first listings on YouTube and Google. Now, all of this is worth $12,588, and you're going to get it 100% free when you decide to purchase Kartra through my link below. But I wanted to sweeten the pot to make sure you had a bit more resources to impact your business. And as we know, email marketing is essential for most businesses when it comes to re-engaging your customers over and over again. And many of us don't know how to build a strong list and don't know how to nurture that list. Because of this, I'm going to give you access to List Prodigy. Now, List Prodigy is going to show you how to build your own personal ATM cash machine that pulls out thousands of dollars per day in your sleep by helping you build a really successful email list. Now, what are you going to get in this program? Well, firstly, you're going to learn from a super affiliate and learn all his tactics. Then you're going to discover closely guarded secrets to building a super list, whilst discovering an unlimited traffic source that helps you build this list overnight and is totally newbie friendly. But best of all, this normally costs $197, but you're going to get it for free if you decide to sign up for Kartra through my link below. So once again, you're going to get the 24-hour ranking system, unlimited private weekly coaching calls with my mentor. You're going to get access to this 12K bonus stack to give away, and you're going to get access to the 4-day Google ranking challenge. But on top of that, you are going to get access to List Prodigy, which is going to definitely skyrocket your email marketing campaigns. But I want to do a bit more for you today, and I want to give you access to 90 Make Money Online courses. Now, what are you going to get out of this? You're going to get access to 90 Make Money Online courses that range from anywhere from affiliate marketing, email marketing, video marketing, Bitcoin, learn high ticket sales, and much, much more. This won't only help you develop your skills. If you're a course creator, you can take inspiration from some of these courses to help your students and members, which will definitely separate you from the pack and give you an advantage. Now, just to recap, you are going to get the 24-hour ranking bonus package, which in itself is worth $12,588, 100% free, but I've topped that up with access to List Prodigy, which is going to help you boost and build your email marketing list and make automated sales and commissions. And last but not least, I'm going to give you access to 90 Make Money online courses for free. All you have to do is click the link below and you'll find a page like this where you can enter your name and email. And this will give you access to all the bonuses below: the groundbreaking 24-hour ranking system, private magic funnel training, 30-day access to exclusive masterminds with my mentor, List Prodigy, and 90 Make Money online courses. All you have to do is sign up right here or right here in order to get access to the bonus. Hopefully you enjoyed that video. Make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video.